What's up, guys? Today we're playing some Ancient Dungeon VR. It's not a big deal. I'm not down with full because it costs money. Hey guys, but yeah. It's basically, just to do this in a nutshell, it's a dungeon game, pixelated. Even though it's pixelated, it brings some kind of like 90s, maybe like early 20s vibes. Where 3D games used to were becoming a thing actually. But yeah, oh yeah, I got some stuff. I played this before. Yeah, not available in this version. Yeah, not available, not in this version. But yeah, basically, yeah, there's just a bunch of cool stuff you can do. I'm taking that, but I don't really have time to talk about it. Sure, if some smudge has been laid upon my glasses crying, I must have a cleaning solution. Yeah, but you have time to talk to me? If you have time to make a cleaning solution, you have time to talk. I've already talked to you, but I'm gonna talk to you for a video. Better yet, turn your back, then go forward. This place lies on the blood of those that die within. Okay, I really don't like this. Hey, who does? Heed me or no? I do not care. Any secrets around here? Any secrets I can find around here? Because why not? Nah? Did I leave any open? I did, right here. Go to test area. Well, this is an actual test area. Only the test area. Spawn monsters, items, upgrades, or try stuff out. Oh. What? What? I never planned this. Clear scene. Okay, you know what? Okay, spawn items. What? Do I just like become God? Yeah, I think I become God. So basically, if you collect all these, you become God. What's actually even going on? Whoa. Boomerang style. Okay, my bad. Okay, enable console. Nope, get out of the player. Oh wait. Spawn. Canyon. Whoa. That was way too. Yeah, honestly, guys, okay, I'm gonna stay here for now. If you guys want to see like a full playthrough or like, yeah, this, yeah, just, you know, this thing's actually pretty fun. Spawn. Play. Run. Be that. White. Okay, spawn, white. Enter. Okay, guys. Oh. Okay. Yeah, guys. Oh, I just want to. What? That was perfect. Okay, so enemy white. White champ. Oh, it's the boss. That was fun. Advanced to white 9. Oh my, holy Jesus. Spawn. White. I just found 19. Whoa! Wait a minute, whoa. Spawn, white, 6, enter. 6, white, 6, enter. If I do that, I hit it, I throw it, I throw it, and it comes back to me. If I throw it like that, it does that, look. Kind of like a hula hoop. You guys actually know what that is? Enemy maggot? Fudge, I forgot about you guys. You guys like the Minecraft people, right? I'm playing. Sorry. Don't mind me. No. You look like Scooby-Doo! Oh. Thank the Lord, I'm finally done with that. You are dead. Okay, I'm just gonna go through one little run real quick. One little run shouldn't hurt, right? See like that, it doesn't do what it does. It obeys physics. I know it sounds kind of weird that I'm saying that, but it does. The overgrown game. Thank you, mate. Alright, let's go. Flip. Yahoo! 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 That thing goes on forever. Hey! Hey, what do y'all want? Is that... Are you an advanced one? I just started... Oh, it's an armor. Tushingo? I don't know any other chance besides that. Oh. Potion of focus. Only headshots, that's... No key. No. Ow, God. Alright, good. Find a key somewhere. No? Always gonna be someplace. Gold, I guess. It's cool that I got gold. I'm not just some broken. No, I probably am. Oh, that. No. I always try to talk like during videos, but I always have to focus. That's the worst. I wish I could talk more. Oh, I hit it towards him somehow. Forgot I can just break anything I see. Wait, so can I just break that one open? Okay, slime. What is there? Yeah, a lock. Here. Lock bacon? When I actually first played this game, I actually hit my wall. Okay, just one back. I'm trying to brag. You guys still hurt even you guys are like the size of like a poodle. Sacrifice. Ow, what? Ow. I'll save the... I'm really paranoid right now. I'm not even joking. Into like a shopkeeper somewhere. I'm so paranoid right now. Help. God damn. Okay, yeah. Shopkeeper? Hi, shopkeeper. I've actually fought the shopkeeper before because I saw it. Hi. I have 11. I literally have 11. If I fight this guy and the video, I lose, the video's gonna end. Before the zombie guy, I don't know what to do. Can you even destroy him? Can I destroy you? Oh, so if you destroy his stuff. nice hanging out with you guys. Maybe in the next video I'll fight him, but not right now. He's a cool guy. You know, I couldn't even buy nothing, but like, bookshelf? Anything suspicious behind the bookshelf? Who knows? Anything could be behind there. Look, another slow motion potion. I like the focus potions, just like slow on time. No, wrong! God dang it, man. I was saving that. Here, let me help you. Yeah. Oh my god, King Slime boss fight. I got this. Oh my god, bro. Of course you have a baby trying to attack me, bro. Well, gold for killing them equals. Okay, y'all ready? Alright guys, dungeon number 2. Oh. Yeah, melee damage is increased, guys. Alright guys, I can either save and exit, or I can keep going, guys. I can keep going for the video. I don't really care how long the video is, just keep going. And, okay guys. Oh god, here are these guys. I literally got myself, I actually killed myself. Oh, you do poison damage now, fool. Oh no, it's a mushroom. I always didn't like mushrooms. I'm not even joking with that. He shoots his dookie boot. You know what they say? Get out of here, fool. Oh, you exploded. What? Why? What? I just killed myself while doing that. Well, I'm gonna have to use my insight and then I'll end the video. Guys, that was actually funny. I thought I had more health than that. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, well, what do you want? I don't really have time to talk adventure. Insight, I forgot. Okay, business sense. Less. Golden pots. Interested on the money. What about this? Due to poor inventory management, merchants sometimes offer an extent selection of items. Yeah. I don't know what I just did there. She can kill that guy. That'd actually be awesome. Oh, man. Frick is my knife? Need my knife back, please. I don't know, I'm supposed to continue the video. Alright guys, but yeah. Hey guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Y'all have a good day. Make sure to like, subscribe if y'all want more content like this. And yeah, guys, I will see you all next time.